Hazrat Ali described about wisdom as Man sabatat lahul hikmatu arafal ibara. He whose wisdom is stable, he recognizes the lessons and warnings. La hikmata illa bi asmatin. There is no wisdom without avoiding sins. Kullama kuwiyatil hikmatu za'afa shahwatu. The stronger the wisdom, the less will be lust and desire. He further said, At-takhmato tafsudul hikmata. Indigestion impairs wisdom. Wal batnato ta'ajbul fatanata. And a full stomach prevents wisdom. He mentioned, Laysa bi hakimin mani batazala bi in bisatehi ila ghairi hamim. That person isn't wise who keeps his happiness for others, ignoring his close loved ones and friends. He advised, Minal hikmati illa tunaziya min fawkika. Wisdom is that you should not quarrel with those who are superior to you. Wala tastazilla min dunika. And don't look down on those who are inferior to you. Hazrat Ali guided us. The company of the intellectuals is the pleasure of the intellect and the healing of the soul. A person who consults the wise and prudent is guided to the right path.